My head is swimming right now with like all these examples of why skin is so important.
Yeah, the bean pot.
Yes, the bean pot. So even after you've cured your bacon with the skin on, and you're slicing little bacon slices off of the skin, then keep that, and then that goes in your bean pot or your soup pot.
Yeah, because you'll have a big slab of skin left over and that skin has been salted and smoked, so it's never going to spoil, and it's very flavorful. And we put that in the bottom of a big heavy pan, and then put the beans and the pork hock in there, and then your stock and
The pork hock again.
yeah, more skin.
More skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing like pig skin to elevate, a pot of beans to cassoulet.
Yeah.
Like, I really think that's the thing that makes beans extravagant.
Yeah.
Like, they actually become something other. They become amazingly delicious.
I was also we were at one of the Latino celebrations at our church. It was like was it Las Posadas, maybe?
Yeah, it's probably Las Posadas.
Yeah, and it was in December.
Yeah.
So kind of a cold, dreary December in Vashon. And there was a big fiesta happening at the church. And they were serving this salsa type dish, and there was pig skin in it.
Yeah, raw pig skin.
Raw?
Yeah, I think...
I thought they cooked it.
Oh, you're right. She poached it a little bit. It's highly acidified.
It was cold, is what you mean. It wasn't warm. It was
Right.
a cold, very fresh, kind of fresca kind of dish. No, I'm pretty sure she cooked it.
She did. She
but it was
poached it.
cold, and then cubed, really, really tiny.
Little ribbons.
And then infused into this salsa, very fresh salsa.
Yeah.
It was almost like a ceviche.
Yeah.
Is what it was going for.
Yeah, that's what I asked her. I was trying to figure out how she did it. It was like a ceviche? And she's like, no, it's not ceviche. I'm like, no, I didn't mean that.
Insulted or something.
I mean,
yeah.
simulacrum. But it was funny. But anyway,
Yeah.
it was acidified. And that's what made the skin delicious.
Oh my gosh.
There was like raw onions, vinegar.
It was so good.
Parsley.
It was very easy to
and
eat,
little
too.
ribbons of skin.
It wasn't one of these maybe dishes that are more foreign to you and you kind of have to hold your nose and sort of acquire the taste for it. It was instant. Oh my gosh. And I
which I thought it kind of, and lots of lime juice maybe.
Yeah.
It was super tangy, which is the only way that it would be edible beyond like 3 bites, because simply boiled skin is so rich. It's just, you can barely handle.
That's true.
Even that many pork rinds. But when it's acidified like that, I mean, I almost ate the whole bowl that she brought. It was so good. You can just keep going. It facilitates the eating of the rich pig skin. It was so cool.
Yes, it was a match made in heaven.
We should ask her for the recipe.
Well, I mean, we could almost do it because you have the pig skin. Yeah, you're right.
Maybe. I would like to get the real thing.
Yeah.
But that was really awesome.
Yeah.